Hi, how are you? This is Ching, right? So we're gonna go into Qigong practice. And since you already have learned, right, the 8 basic stance, part 1, part 2, and spine work with the reverse abdominal breathing, and the basic Qigong warm-up, and the focused Qigong warm-up, will bring all that foundation into learning the contemporary Qigong. There are 5 sets, 5 different ones, and that's developed by me. Okay, so learning so much from my mentor, Dr. Yang Junming, and gradually I'm start thinking about how can I make it a little, how to incorporate everything together from the east and west and the internal organ, health, all that stuff, just like what traditional Chinese is. So I create a little bit contemporary one. Okay, so the first one we call it spiral breathing. Okay, so breath is what? Air comes in, right? Air comes in and CO2 goes out. That's also kind of right particle of a similar air. So every time you breathe, you can see smokes, and softly people say watch your breath, right? It's really hard to watch your breath if it's not in the winter time. Your heat goes out, the steam goes out, there's always this wave movement. But going into the internal, right? When you breathe, what? You inhale, your lung expand, the diaphragm is going down. On the exhale, diaphragm goes up. So that's the move on diaphragm, kind of like a ripple water, right? So it creates a nice wave. And then you have external and internal intercostal muscle to expand the lungs softly and release. See, that's another wave, right? Isn't that cool? And so diaphragm is one of your piston. There's another piston that's going to help you breathing, special on the exhale, or if you do reverse abdominal breathing, reverse abdominal breathing is going to help you to inhale. We are using reverse abdominal breathing. I love it. You all know, right? If you see many videos, you know I love reverse abdominal breathing because that's when you have to pay attention. It's when you go, oh my God, what happened? I forgot something. Oh, this is coming. I'm going to pay attention to solving problems. And it's problem solving time. So you will have to charge up your mind, have to step in and involve. And I love to use that calmly. Okay, so when things really happen, you can use it calmly. Okay, so the one piston is your diaphragm. There's another one. So you got 2 pistons. The other one is your pelvic floor. It work together. So you also know I like to call the 3 musketeers. So your inner thigh, pelvic floor, inner thigh connect to the Mother Earth, right? The energy come up pelvic floor, and the first responder, which is down of the most deep layer abdominal muscle, it wraps all the way around. That's only one. Wraps all the way around. So it's like a girdle, right? It's a cylinder. So when you lift the pelvic floor, pull the transverse abdominal in during the inhale, that reverse abdominal breathing, right? So now the diaphragm is coming down, pelvic floor is coming up, my tummy goes in, so I have 4 sides, front, back, up and down. So what I'm doing, I'm massaging my internal organ. And I release. Diaphragm up, pelvic floor release. But you don't push the tummy out, you just let go a little bit. Then you do it again. So you have this action of squeeze and release. So you massage internal organ. Your internal organ work all the time, okay? Your heart, your lung, your breathing, you don't have to think about it. You work, you don't even think about breathing. It does it by itself. Your heart loved up. When there's trouble, that's when you go flutter, right? And the same thing, all your internal organ, you don't want to feel them. They're so smart. They know what to do. They digest, right, bring the oxygen, get rid of CO2. See how amazing this body is? So what we have to do, we have to breathe properly, bring the good oxygen in, right? And also oxygen is so important, especially right now when the fall comes into, people are so worried about the what? Flu season or cold season, and now we have COVID-19. So don't be scared, don't be fear. The only way to fix the fear is to have passion about your life. What does this body work, right? Passion about learning or curiosity about learning. How can I make myself better so I have natural vaccine, right? It's your immune system. So your body can, right, fight back naturally because it's all here. The virus and the fungi, all the stuff, poison, whatever, out there is to charge us, make us stronger, right? So we're not like, oh, we are the plants in the what? Greenhouse, not good. So I also call it, you can't let the cage bird out. They're not gonna live too long. We don't want to be a cage bird. You don't want to quarantine. If there's quarantine, you still need to find time, eat well, exercise, best time to get to know your body. That's why I thought the video is such a good time for you to learn more and more about yourself, how you protect yourself, right? I'm in Connecticut, so I'm kind of lucky. I have a nice big yard too. And we have a lot of places we can go for a hike and get in the sun. All this stuff is good for the body. But eating popcorn, ice cream, sit down, watch a movie, and lots of bag of chips, those are not good. That will keep your immune system low, right? And then the quarantine sun let you out. You, the cage bird, went out. You're going to get sick right away. So just start thinking about it, right? So quarantine doesn't mean do nothing. This is the best time for you to learn about your body, okay? So here we go. Reverse it down the breathing. There are 5 movements in this spiral breathing, okay? So the first thing, here we go. Let's establish everything. Any hands on top, there's one hand down here. Any arm comes to top, that represents your diaphragm. Just help you to understand, right? We really know what they do. Diaphragm inhales go down, exhale goes up. Your lung we will talk about, right? Inhale, air goes in. Exhale, intercostal muscles shrink the lung, get rid of CO2. So there's a lot of movement already. So now your diaphragm is already massaging what? Your lung and your heart on the top. The bottom will be what? Your stomach, your liver, your spleen, your kidney, and adrenal glands. The pelvic floor kind of come up. So my hands, the lower one, represent the pelvic floor. So there's a 2 piston here. I'm using my hand. You're going to use your hand to help you focus a little more. So if I lift the pelvic floor, tummy in, right? I massage for small intestine, large intestine, right? Ovaries and bladder. All this stuff you all have. Men, you don't have ovary, it's okay. Or uterus, but it's okay. You have it. You still have large intestine, small intestine. And also your testicles, right? You can moving and massaging them. So we are different. Celebrate the differences, right? There's a purpose being a different. So it's really wonderful. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start horse stance. I'm going to start facing you first. Now turn a little bit. So nice and tall. So my leg, right? Preparation. My leg and then my shoulder. And there's always theory goes into, so I talk a lot. So I'm going to introduce you first. Next week, we're going to connect how the internal organs working. What this movement connects to. So all the Qigong movement, remember, we have to reward and take care of the internal organ. So which one? Every internal organ, they are act as a pair too. There's yin and yang. There's yin organ and yang organ. We're going to talk more about next week, and maybe a little bit how to use it when you're walking too, right? So you can travel with it. Isn't that cool? So you learn one thing, you can expand more. You learn English, you can expand your writing, right? Getting the grammar, all this stuff, you can start writing beautifully. That's what I'm learning right now. It's not easy, but it's possible if I put time into it, right? It's all about the time, patience. Here. Horse stance, I bend my knees, so I have a spiritual triangle. My right hand represents my diaphragm, yes. And this pelvic floor. Reverse it down the breathing. So ready? Inhale, I'm gentle, lift the pelvic floor, pull tummy in, diaphragm goes down. So I condense everything, massage. Exhale, release that energy. I have a wave already. Inhale again, pelvic floor, tummy in, but our diaphragm goes down. Remember, you can't feel the diaphragm, even diaphragm, skeletal muscle. It's only skeletal muscle as an internal organ. The rest, again, we call it visceral muscle. It's soft, very small, soft, smooth tissues. Inhale, smooth muscles, and return. Okay, we're gonna switch. I'm gonna inhale, come in, exhale, return. I'm trying to be fair. So my left hand is the diaphragm, the right hand is the pelvic floor. Turn a little bit so you can see a little better. You can see my spine's moving. I create the wave, right? Your diaphragm has a wave. Your lungs in and out, intercostal muscle moving. Lots of things happen. Inhale, right? You lift the pelvic floor, the energy is going down, you're rooting. Exhale, you root even more. You deepen the rooting so your spine feels free. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, that's the first part. Get ready, right? Now, second part, you alternate. So inhale and exhale. Alternate. Inhale, come in. Exhale, release. Inhale, right hand goes down. Left hand goes down, right hand come up and release. Again, inhale, you can start feeling the spiral comes in. So because I emphasize the left arm, the left external will be rotate my spine a little bit. Again, inhale, the right external rotate my torso. And my right, left leg, everything left side, slightly rotate. Just wake it up and release. So right now, the energy using is more like singing the lullaby, nice and gentle. To your kids or to your loved one, inhale, gentle lullaby. And one more time, inhale. And exhale, release. Now, we're going to make that movement a little bigger. So I'm the right arm, right external bigs, pelvic rotate from this one. Everything come together, rotate a little more. Exhale. This is the third one. So we really feel the spiral and up and down. Rotate, right leg, right side, external bit, and inhale. Root down more, so don't go up and down. Inhale, tummy in. Exhale. Our beautiful spine. You feel spine moving, right? The whole torso moving. Inside your torso, it's all your internal organ. And a beautiful right central nerve system. You move the most important part of your body. Keep them alive. One last time, inhale, see I'm rotating and release. Last one, rotating more of the upper body. Okay, I'm pushing, I'm rotating more of the upper body. For right now, later on there are other exercise you can rotate pelvic too, but not right now. We're gonna focus on the lung, okay? Lung is what? Inside your rib cage, right? So now, we can go to the fourth one already. Okay, don't forget one. So from the third one, you build to the fourth one. So now you're creating east and west. You have an up and down already earlier, right? There's up, there's a down, there's a up. There's the east and west. Oh, here you go. Inhale, exhale. So we're expanding your energy. So this is your guardian chi. This you're expanding. Your immune system is so strong. So you create a what? Guardian, the huge guardian energy. Right on again. Inhale, exhale. Protect yourself. Inhale, exhale. So breath is always the first thing. Every single cell needs oxygen. Especially your brain cell. So when they say the Qigong is good for elderly, it's not just good for, it's good for everybody. The reason it's good for elderly is because the breathing, to protect the brain cell, not to, the brain cell need to be happy, activate, learning new things. It's always a beginning, there's never an end, okay? Never too late to learn, right? We know. Inhale, exhale. We do one more set. Inhale, inhale. Fifth one come already. Okay, inhale, you ready? I'm gonna push, I'm gonna rotate the whole body now. Now my arm goes what? North and south, but it's like this. But I'm rotate the body, so I'm not doing this. Okay, see how bad that is? That's wishful thinking. You have to know where it comes from. I'm pushing, so I'm spiral my torso. Okay, I face you. So this is my north, you my north. If I push, I spiral. Now I face the east. If I open my arms to the side, become I'm reaching north and south. So from here, inhale, exhale, push the right leg open, open. Inhale, come center. Exhale, push, push, and rotate. Keep rotating your head, spiral. And inhale. Exhale again, push. And again, inhale, tummy in. Exhale, reaching north and south. Inhale. You have to root, otherwise you fall. Keep rooting down. And go. Inhale. Exhale, root it down and go. So what happened? In the nature, right? When the storm comes, right? If the tree doesn't root, right? They can move on the top everywhere. They're fine. They're awake. I said, I'm working with the nature, but I'm rooting. So, but we're not rooting. We're so easy to fall. And people say, my balance is bad. I'm falling. Do something, right? So don't keep telling people about it. Find a way to do something. I'm helping you right now. Okay, so ready? Inhale, I'm gonna root. So I can twist my body, right? But it's not tornado right now. And it's not hurricane. I'm gonna grow the root first. Last time, inhale, exhale, the very last one, and the exhale, come center, and release out, nice and tall. You bend both knees, bring right or left leg in, and take a couple steps. So that's, I put it as a first because you have to know how to breathe. You need to know how to use your spine. You need to know, right? Harmonize the whole thing. So it's not that hard. Keep practicing. Next week, we're going to add to it. See if you can guess which two internal organ we're working on. Think about breathing, right? So next week I'll tell you, and we're going to add a little more to it, go a little bit deeper. So now your mind's what? That's why I love movement, meditation through movement, because I'm thinking so much. I'm focused on my body. Remember, this is like the jet plane, right? Stealth, and it's the newer plane. So you have to understand, or you're the most fancy car you dream to have, right? But we take care of the car better than take care of our own body, sadly. So, but you want to operate this beautiful, beautiful, right, jets, you need to know every little instrument, every little part of your body. You can fly, right? And so that's so nice because you bring passion back into your life. If you don't care, there is no love or passion. Life is all about passion. If you have passion, even you fall, you get up. I want to walk again. Just like the little kids, they don't care. Fall, come up, they maybe cry. Wah, wah, that's it, they go. Okay, take good care. I'll see you next week. See how well we can expand into this exercise. Thank you so much, and have a great day.